Now we come to the last paragraph of this uh, chapter, that is a baker from Goa. The baker usually collected his bills at the end of the month. Monthly accounts used to be recorded on some wall in pencil. That is important. Monthly accounts used to be recorded on some wall in pencil. Baking was indeed a profitable profession in the old days. According to the author believes that, in his opinion, he informs us that baking was a profitable profession in those days, in old days. The baker and his family never starved. Means the baker and his family led a happy life. He, his family, his servants always looked happy and prosperous. Why? Because baking is a profitable profession. Their plump means pleasantly. Plump physic. Plump physics means pleasantly fat body. Their plump physique was an open testimony to this. Even today, any person with a jackfruit like physical appearance is easily compared to a baker. Open testimony means public statement about a character or a quality. Open testimony means public statement about a character or a quality. So, in this paragraph, we see when the baker used to collect his bills, that is at the end of the month, and monthly accounts used to be recorded, and baking is considered as a profitable profession. The baker and his family led a happy life. He, his family and servants always looked happy and prosperous. Why? Because baking was a profitable profession in the old days. Even today, any person with a jackfruit like physical appearance is easily compared to a baker. Presently fat body. A person who has a presently fat body, that person is compared to a baker. सो इस पैराग्राफ में राइटर ने बताया कि बेकर कब बिल कलेक्ट करता है एट द एंड ऑफ द मंथ, और ये ऑथर ये बताता है कि मंथली अकाउंट जो है रिकॉर्ड किए जाते हैं, और बेकिंग एक प्रॉफिटेबल प्रोफेशन माना जाता था उन दिनों, और बेकर और उसकी फैमिली एक अच्छा लाइफ जीते थे, भुखमरी की उनकी स्थिति नहीं होती थी, और बेकर उसकी फैमिली और सर्वने सारे क्या है हैप्पी होते थे, प्रॉस्परस होते थे, संपन्न होते थे। उनकी जो प्लम्प फिजिक है, प्रेजेंटली फैट बॉडी, ये पब्लिक स्टेटमेंट था, मतलब एक हेल्दी लाइफ जीते थे बेकर। उनकी लाइफ स्टाइल को देख करके, उनकी कंडीशन को देख करके हम लोग ये कह सकते हैं कि वो प्रॉस्परस लाइफ जीता है। कौन? बेकर। बेकर लेड अ प्रॉस्परस लाइफ, अ हेल्दी लाइफ आफ्टर सीइंग हिज फिजिकल अपीयरेंस। मीनिंग इज दिस, इफ एनीवन sees the physical appearance of Baker, then we can conclude that he led a prosperous life. So that is all about the first part of a baker from Goa. So we see that the whole chapter revolves around baker. Here we notice the activities of baker. In other words, we can say this part is a pen portrait or description of baker. How does he live a good life? what kind of life he is living. So all these things are discussed in this chapter, that is a baker from Goa. Thank you.